Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. There is another video where I'm going to show you the light guys. Light is not like it's a galaxy experience and I can't tell you guys it's awesome light which I purchased. So here come the Astrolight guys. So I'll just unbox this. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, I opened the box guys. So we found something here. It's fully sealed and packed. What is this? Not sure about that. I think it's some moon. Okay, here is the person where spaceman is ready here. So let's open this guys. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, beautiful it is. Nice guys. I'll just explain you how it is. So Astrolight. Oh, you can move his hands. Okay. Here we go. Okay, cool. So here we have control 0. I'll just explain you about that. So before we check what all we have in this kit. This was a cover. Oh, as usual, get the cable here for charge. Manual. Okay, we have manual here. Oh, we have a remote also. Remote guys. This bag. Alright. So this cost you around 1000 rupees guys. I brought in best deal. So I will share you the detail from where I brought. It's good, nice and awesome guys. Okay, coming to the Astrolight. What all we have here is, okay, you can see here small tiny. It's so cute guys. It looks good, white. Okay, so I think is it moves. I think I can turn the edge, and moreover there is a magnetic thing here, so you can keep separately and move on. And moreover you can close like this, and it can adjust the movements. For example, right, left, or you can turn on like this. So the projector will hit to the roof. Okay, this will be the stand. Let me keep properly. Okay, let's fit guys. You can see here it's sitting on the stand. Okay, I know about this. I don't want the manual. This is the manual back. Alright, remote will unbox. What is there? Nothing. Oh, you need to put in battery for this. Okay, as of now I won't have a battery here. I'll keep it back. So let's review about how it works. Okay, connectivity is here. Yeah, connectivity is here. I just plugged in. So coming to here, you can see switches, 3 switches here. The middle one is on and off, so you need to press for the long time so it will on. And here is the start button, and here is the projector. Different colors you can choose. So middle is on off button here. Okay, I just connected to the can connect through a power bank and any kind of mobile charger also you can connect with that. Here I just connected like this. Okay, switch is on. So Astronaut, please on. Here we go. So it's on here. So you can see the lights wherever you keep the direction, it will give a laser beam. There's a projector and there you have a laser one. So two lights are reflecting here. So it is awesome. So let's see. Guys, I'll just off the lights and you can see how it is. In 3, 2, 1, off the lights. So here he is. I'll just show my room. See guys. So that's a projector light. And now the laser one. Both is on. Focus to the roof and I'll show you how it is. In 3, 2, 1. Check out guys. Wow. So fantastic guys. Awesome it is. Everyone will like this lights, especially for the kids, but you need to be careful to give to the kids because it is on DC. So parents must use this and just show to the kids for better safety thing. Wow guys, this is the future. Wow. Just play a music with this. You can please listen guys. The room full it is in laser. Surrounding it's full of laser and projection is awesome. So it is very real galaxy view and it is awesome for indoor. Especially if you keep on hall, it will be awesome guys. And whenever you have a party, you can enjoy that. This beautiful galaxy view. Astro lights. So if you like this, please like, share, comment guys and check out this product. So I got for 1000 rupees with best price. So anyone is looking for this, I'll put the contact details. You can ask me in comments. I will share you the contact details. Thanks. Wow. It's nice guys, really awesome it is. It's like disco. Hey guys. Alright, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and bell. Thank you guys. Next I will see you in another video with new gadget things and food and travel guys. So till that, keep watching my channel. Enjoy my YouTube channel.